Hello guys, in lecture 7 we are going to discuss the basic concept regarding C. It is a programming language developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972 and 1973 at T. Bell Laboratories in USA. C is developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972 at T. Bell Laboratories. It is used to develop general purpose software that uses a single language. We can develop any type of software. It is extension of B language. C is the extension of B language. Who developed the B language? B language is developed by Ken Thompson at the same laboratory where C is developed. It is called middle language because it is the feature of both high level language as well as low level language. In previous lecture, I introduced you why we called C is a mid and middle level language, why C is known as the mother language, why C has the more important and other language. All are the basic concept regarding C. In this, we have also said that the same type, same problem, C is the better understanding of high level language as well as low level. History of C, how C is developed. In first 1916, Algol algorithm language is come into existence. It is the developed by international group of organization developed the algorithm language in 1960. After that 7 years 1967 DCPA Basic Combined Programming Language come into existence by the Martin Richard who developed the BCPA that is known as Basic Combined Programming Language in 1967. After that 1917 B language is introduced by K. Thompson. K. Thompson developed B language in 1970. After that 1972 traditional C language which is developed by Dennis Ritchie. Who introduced the first in C? Dennis Ritchie introduced the C in 1972. After the 6 years ago, 6 years after 1978, K and R.C. Carnegie and Ritchie, both the scientists, making a same language extension version of C. After 1980, ANSI-C come into existence by ANSI community. ANSI community is the community where the American National Standard Institute. It is the community which makes the extension version of C. In 1917, ANSI-C and IOC-C is introduced. IS comes by the ISO community, International Standard Organization. Okay. After that, this is the 1990s. After many modifications come into existence, and then C language is finally introduced. Then after the C character, which type of C character sets are used in C language? A character set denotes any alphabet, digit, or symbol used to represent the information. We can also say that the combination form of alphabet, digit, and a special symbol is known as character or C. The valid alphabet, numbers, and a special symbol allowed in C are first alphabet that is known as A to Z, this big alphabet ABCD, small alphabet ABCD, then digit 0 to 9, then a special symbol like this. A special symbol like some special single character, this is symbol name. This symbol is known as commas. Must keep it in your mind. Sometimes it in competitive example come into that what is known as this symbol. This symbol is known as comma. This symbol is known as period. This symbol is known as semicolon. Colon. This symbol is known as colon. This symbol is known as tilde. This symbol is known as question mark. That is symbol. This symbol is known as apostrophe. This symbol is used many times at the time of making programming. This symbol is exclamation marks. This symbol is vertical bar. This symbol is slash forward and this symbol is backward. After that, underscore, dollar, curly bracket, ampersand, caret, plus addition, subtraction, multiplication, parenthesis, angle bracket, bracket, at the rate, percentage. These are the basic character. This is some special types of character that is used in C at the time of making programming. When first we make a program, then these symbols help us to give a better understanding about how our program will work. Must keep it in your mind. The combination of character plus your logic make a good program. Character like alphabet, digits, symbols. When both this collection come into existence, then our program will be make a good logic. Suppose that dividend and quotient. Dividend means suppose that we divided 4 into 9, 2, 1. That is known as remainder and that is known as quotient. When we got the dividend quotient, we divide NO by 2, that is division. But when you do percentage symbol, that symbol provide you the remainder theorem, remainder of that program. If you did 8 divided by 17, then you get solar. This is it. This is quotient, but this is remainder. So that is in programming field, remainder is denoted by percent and dividend is denoted by dividend. Thank you.